Welcome to A&M Education, College of Creativity and Technology. In this session, we will discuss about the topic difference between receipts and payment account and income and expenditure account. Firstly, based on nature. Receipts and payments account is a summary of cash and bank transaction, whereas income and expenditure account is a summary of current year income and expenses. Second, based on revenue and capital. Receipts and payments account records transactions related to both revenue and capital nature, whereas income and expenditure account records transactions related to revenue nature only. Third, based on debit side. Debit side of receipts and payments account records cash and bank receipts during an accounting period, whereas debit side of income and expenditure account records expenses and losses incurred in the current accounting period. Fourth, based on credit side. Credit side of receipts and payments account records payments in cash and through checks, whereas credit side of income and expenditure account records income and gains earned in the current accounting period. Fifth, based on types of accounts. Receipts and payments account is a real account, that is, accounts related to assets or properties, whereas income and expenditure account is a nominal account, that is, account related to income or gains and expenses or losses. Sixth, based on period. Receipts and payments account records receipts and payments made during the year that may be related to the current accounting period or the preceding period and the succeeding accounting period, whereas income and expenditure account records income and expenditure made during the current accounting period. Seventh, based on opening balance. Receipts and payments account begins with the opening balance of cash in hand and cash at bank or overdraft, whereas income and expenditure account has no opening balance but sometimes surplus or deficit forwarded from the last accounting period, if not added to the capital fund, can be shown as the opening balance of this account. Eighth, closing balance. The balancing figure of receipts and payments account is expressed in terms of closing balance of cash in hand and cash at bank or overdraft, whereas the balancing figure is expressed in terms of either surplus, that is, if incomes is greater than expenses, or deficit, that is, if expenses is greater than incomes. Ninth, based on non-cash items. Receipts and payments account does not include non-cash items like depreciation, appreciation, etc., whereas income and expenditure account includes non-cash items like depreciation, bad debts, provisions, etc., in order to ascertain the actual net profit or net loss. 10th, based on transfer of balance. The opening balance of receipts and payment account is brought forward from the last year's receipts and payments account, and the closing balance of this account is carried forward to the subsequent year's receipts and payment account as shown in the balance sheet of the current accounting period. Whereas, if the closing balance of the income and expenditure account is surplus, then it is added to the capital fund in the balance sheet. If the closing balance is deficit, then it is deducted from the capital fund in the balance sheet. 11th, based on system. Receipts and payments account is prepared on cash basis, whereas income and expenditure is prepared on accrual basis. This is all about difference between receipts and payment account and income and expenditure account. Thank you.